Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. There aren't too many good looking charts in this market, let's be honest. And the ones that are looking good, they kind of have earnings coming up, like this one right here, Academy Sports and Outdoors. Now, in a bull market, this would be a buy all day long, pending earnings weren't around the corner. I mean, this is a great looking setup. It's near the 21-day exponential period moving average, which has acted as support over the last month. It's in a nice downward sloping trend line channel, and it's right near the highs. If I zoom out here, you can see it actually got above the high from November of 2021. Got above, couldn't hold above, but just kind of pulled back into support here. And so this is definitely one that I'm watching into tomorrow if it does get a positive earnings reaction, because we have this clear channel right there. And so you want to be long the stock if it can get above and close above, and you don't want to be if it gets above and flushes down. So this is definitely one that I'm watching for a positive earnings reaction into tomorrow, and I think it might be worth adding to your watch list as well. So I hope that video is helpful. Hey, give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And if you want to see what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com, click the link, take a trial, and I'll see you on the other side.